Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you how to go from this to this, and if you're interested, then just keep on watching. First, I'm just brushing my hair up and putting it into a loose ponytail because I'm gathering all my hair so I can kind of slick it down just a little bit more. My hair was super frizzy, and I don't know what was going on. Even after I applied the rest of the product, it was still kind of frizzy, but I'm just taking that shine gem and I'm just distributing that all throughout my hair. And then once I have done that, I'm just going to take my baby hairs and comb them out of the way so I can lay them down. Now I'm just taking my hard brush and I'm just brushing all of my hair up together so I can put it in a tighter ponytail. Now that that's done, I'm just kind of taking my brush and detangling my hair just to make sure everything's kind of really nice and smooth. And then I'm just braiding it into a braid. I realized the back of my head was not as smooth as I thought it was, but it doesn't really matter because the ponytail is going to cover it anyway, so who cares? But yeah, you're just going to braid it all the way down, and then I rubber banded my end just to kind of make sure my braid doesn't come unraveled, because you're just going to secure the track hair, which is the bundles, with some bobby pins so you don't have to do the whole stitching method, because this is a lot easier. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just taking those two bobby pins and I'm crisscrossing them to anchor them to my hair. And then I'm just going to be wrapping the tracks around my ponytail. All right, so once I get to the very top of my braid, I'm taking a huge section, which is probably about 2 inches worth of hair on the track, to wrap this around my ponytail to cover the tracks up at the root. And I'm using my Got To Be Freeze hairspray just to kind of make sure it sticks and it stays and holds itself in place. All right, so once I've done that, I'm just kind of detangling the hair out, making sure it's all nice and smooth. And now I'm just taking my Got To Be glue gel and I'm just laying my baby hairs down. So this next step is completely optional. I decided to wand curl my ponytail. You can straighten it, baby curl, whatever you decide you want to do. I just wanted to add some wand curls because I feel like it was a little bit, tighter curl, lasts a little bit longer versus me flat iron curling it. So that's what I'm doing now, just wrapping my hair around the wand, curling it, and then I'm going to brush the curls out. Also, if you're wondering, I don't think I told you guys, this is human hair. I just bought it from the beauty supply store. It's just pack hair. It was like $40 for a 16-inch, because it is still human hair. It's just, processed. So now I'm just brushing those curls out and giving it a little bit more volume. I did also add a little hairspray in it to make my curls hold and last a little bit longer. This is the finished look, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.